Amazon is a titan of e-commerce with over 180 billion net product sales in 2020. Whether you are an Amazon seller or just a consumer, product sales data can help you find the best-selling products right now. In this video, we find the 3 best drones on Amazon for under $100. Stay in the video and you will be surprised with these offers. On the 3rd place, SQuadcopter Drone with live camera video. With a price of just $69, this is the cheapest one on this list. Fly the drone to a height over 2 meters, press the 3D flip button, and push the right control stick to any direction to flip the drone 360 degrees to accordingly direction, provide stunt aerial show. 2.0 MP 720p wide-angle camera gives a wide range of high-definition pictures and video. 1 key takeoff and landing. With 1 key takeoff and landing, pressing a button to make the drone's engine start or land steadily, which is very convenient for beginners. You can enjoy first-person view real-time live video directly with it. 1 key set high, you can accurately lock the height and location. Stable hover, there is very convenient to shoot from multiple angles. The gravity sensor mode enables the quadcopter to move following the direction you move your smartphone. It also has a built-in 1 key return home feature that will allow the drone to fly back to the transmitter. On 2nd place is the SNAPTAIN S5C Wi-Fi FPV drone with a 1080p camera. His price is $88 and has a 5 stars rate with over 12,000 ratings. Four anti-collision barriers make the drone tough enough for collisions, especially on the 4 corners where the propellers are, where is considered to be fragile. Hover barometer set height function. Built-in 6-axis gyroscope holds the altitude and the position of the aircraft. It makes the video shooting and photograph taking more stable. SNAPTAIN Era support for Apple and Android. The SNAPTAIN Era app has voice control, gravity control, 3D VR and trajectory flight. Put your phone in the VR glasses, which provides an amazing visual fidelity and outstanding 3D experience. You can enjoy first-person view real-time live video directly with it. On the 1st place is SNAPTAIN SP650 drone with 1080p HD live video camera. With the price of $99, this is the best drone for under $100. The enhanced 1080p Full HD camera captures photos with high fidelity. 120 degrees wide-angle lens widens your views and 90 degrees adjustable design meets diverse requirements for different shooting purposes. Simply draw a flight course on your app interface, and the drone will fly following the path accordingly. For more details about these drones, you have links in the description. See you in the next video.